Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to do a poll on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, open a chat between your friend, go to this plus sign, you will find poll, put your question here. For example, your question, where are we going for the weekend? Put your options here, Egypt, USA, England. You can put it 12 options here. When you are finished, press send. You will see like this. I received on another WhatsApp. You can choose your vote here. For example, I will choose USA. You will see your photo here beside your vote. I will open another WhatsApp. Your friend will see like this. He can also choose, for example, England. This is his photo on WhatsApp. Okay. You can see all votes from here. One vote, USA, England, one vote, like this option. You can close here. If you want to delete the poll, long press, delete for everyone. You can see you are deleted from all friends. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe on our channel. Best regards, Phone Shop SHARM.